All right, so this is the dock we're going to be backing up into. This is a double dock. What do we got? So I presume these cones are here for us to move so we can make sure nobody's parked there, because this will be one difficult dock to back into without them. We have cars that we don't really have to worry too much about because they're not going to be, they're not in the area where we need to back up. It's just that we just got to make sure there was nothing parked here. All right, there's a sidewalk that we can totally use if we want to. Doesn't look like it's going to damage anything if our steer tires jump over it. So we have quite a lot of room. We just got to make sure our setup is correct. We got to hug everything to the left, and we're going to use as much room over here as possible, and make sure that no other cars start trying to sneak by, and have one of the dock workers stop them or something. I don't know. This is Brooklyn after all. We never know how friendly they're going to be. Cool. So the dock itself is nice and wide. If there's somebody over here, maybe maybe it might be a little bit more difficult. It's definitely possible if there's one vehicle there, but if there's like a trailer that's sticking out, not so good. This is nearly. I'm not even going to attempt it. I don't. They're not going to ask you to back into this dock. I can't imagine they would anyway. All right, yeah, that is it. We have the space, we have the room. Let's see how I do in my game. All right, cool. Now this isn't the most difficult back. It just looks really intimidating. All right, it's because you got lots of cars. You're limited. It's just because it's not so bad. It is because of the entrance itself. You basically have two spaces. Now, if there's a trailer here, that's a different story altogether. All right, so again, we have to get our trailer axles over to the left before we can start backing up. All right, so watching the swing of your trailer and making sure we have no oncoming traffic. We got to get to the other side of the road. All right, so this particular place, we saw that there is no cars parked here. They have cones that are backing it off, I'm sure, for certain hours of the day. And then you just got to make sure you don't hit them, because I think they're pushed up against the wall. But anyway, so we are going to take advantage of the fact that the sidewalk is, I don't know, usable, but not too usable, but usable. All right. Okay, so we're going to keep hugging everything to the left. All right, we're going to hug this red car to the left, and then keep hugging it. Let's zoom in a little more so you can see. Watch the swing of the front of the trailer. Again, when you have a very little room, you got to take advantage of all the area in front of the truck here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop roughly around here. And of course, you're honking your horn crazy. You're maybe stopping traffic back here because, I don't know, do whatever you have to do. A lot of times if you have your doors open, that's a huge indicator that you're backing up. But if you have rolling up doors, people can't really tell. But maybe roll up your door. I don't know. Figure out some way to make sure that no traffic is going to come. But yeah. Obviously, ask the dock workers, hey, dude, you need to stop traffic back here, or else I'm not getting in there. Just do whatever it takes. All right, let's get those steers straight. And immediately it's going to start jackknifing at a slow rate. All right, the trailer's starting to point more towards the dock. All right, we don't want to point it too much. There we go. See, normally, again, if we were going to this space, this would not work. All right, but I think now we can actually start. I think we can start a jackknife roughly around here. Actually, a pretty hard jackknife. Okay, and we're going to keep that going. I probably would have been happier if I was. Yeah, I would be happier if I was closer to that wall. All right, but we don't have to be that happy. Okay, so we're going to start chasing it. We're going to keep chasing it. Keep chasing it, watching out for the wall, using a little bit of the sidewalk. And we're not going to adjust anything. We're just going to keep back. Even though we're going into this space, we're just going to keep backing up because we just want to get off the road. And actually, I'm nearly better off going to this space now at this stage. But my goal was to go into this space. All right, now I'm just going to do a straight back for just a little bit. And then I'm going to pull out and go off to the left. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. So hard left. All right, first of all, it's going to bring the trailer over to the right because that's the way the trailer was pointing in the first place. All right, and if I got everything in one shot, you'd never learn anything. So you got to learn. We got to watch. I'm going to always show you the videos where I screw up as well, because you learn from my screw ups. Okay. Looking much better now. Now I'm pointing towards the dock, but I'm still not going to be able to get center in it. Okay. Let's get over to the left. All right, we're in a much better position now anyway. So now we will go up to the right. Oh, back to the left. Keep going, keep going, keep going, and straighten up in the shortest distance. Okay, now we can back it up the rest of the way, and we were in. So it's not the hardest dock. It really isn't, but as long as you do it correctly. All right, so I imagine that will do people just fine. Okay, that's I don't know. Yeah, I think that's it. I can't really do much more with it. Okay, I suppose I can do more. How do we get out of here? All right, we got to make a right-hand turn. This is going to be tough. All right, now I recommend this. All right, actually, I'm going to hope it works. I can't guarantee it's going to work. All right, so we got to go back off to the left. And we got to get our trailer back here. Okay, whoops, too close. There we go. Yes, we're going to keep going until right before we would hit that wall. All right. Hopefully traffic is stopped. We may have to just go this way, but you know, a lot of times you end up leaving the way you came. All right, not happy with that yet. You getting happier? Yes. Very much so. Watch out for the wall. Okay, missed it. All right, now let's see if we can make that turn. So first of all, we just go off to the left. I might not even get it, to be honest with you, because I haven't actually tried this. Okay, will the swing hit? The swing might hit this. Let's back up a little bit. I don't think we're gonna make this. Let's keep going though. All right, it'd be nice that guy wasn't parked there, but he is. Man, this is not a place for a 53-foot trailer. Okay, I might be able to squeeze out of here now. Looking possible. Oh, that other car is not looking good. Alarms are going to start. Oh, I'm sure. There we go. He's fine. It's fine. It's just a scratch. Oh, damn it. Okay, let's keep going. Let's just leave a note on their windshield. Damn. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Excuse me. You shouldn't have parked there. I failed. I'm sorry, guys. I failed you all. All right. Anyway,